Generating leads with LinkedIn Sales Navigator involves using its advanced search features, lead recommendations, and personalized outreach tools. Here's how to effectively generate leads. Use advanced search filters. Sales Navigator offers powerful search filters like industry, company size, location, job title, seniority, and more. Use these filters to create a highly targeted list of potential leads that fit your ideal customer profile. Save leads and accounts. When you identify relevant prospects, save them as leads to keep track of them. Similarly, save companies as accounts to monitor updates, news, and job changes. Utilize lead recommendations. Sales Navigator suggests leads based on your saved searches and preferences. These recommendations help you discover more prospects that match your target criteria. Engage with email and connection requests. Use email to reach out to prospects with personalized messages, even if you aren't directly connected. Send customized connection requests to build relationships and start conversions with potential leads. Monitor lead activity. Stay updated on your leads activities such as job changes, shared posts, or company announcements. This allows you to engage with timely, relevant information.